Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to log in into your US bank account. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on this website, on their official website US Bank, and once you are on this official website there is an option like login. Okay, at very top side you need to select this option, like if you know your username, your user ID. If you don't know, we will process the second method. So you need to click on login. You need to enter your username, okay, and you need to enter your password over here, and you can click on login. Okay, and once you enter your credentials you can log in into your account very easily. If you don't know, if you forget your username or password, what you have to do, you need to click on this link like forget username or password, and once you tap on this option it will redirect you on the new page. In this page you can also type your username or personal ID, then you can continue and you need to follow the prompts and you can log in into your account. If you don't know your username, your personal ID, in that case what you can do, you can select this option, I don't know my username, and in this case you need to provide this method, like if you need to provide your phone number or you need to provide your email address. Okay, once you select any option like email or phone number, you can click on continue and you can provide your email. They will send you an email code, and in the email they will provide your details related to your user ID, each and everything they will provide you. You need to check your email, and in the email they will provide you each and everything related to your account, related to your login details. Okay, so by using this way you can log in into US bank account. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.